Birds of paradise are birds found in New Guinea highlands and on nearby islands. There are many different species, but the six-plumed birds of paradise are, in my opinion, the most dazzling. They are known for their incredible plumage, which includes six long feathers that extend from their head like delicate tendrils. This gives them a distinct appearance that sets them apart from other birds in their habitat. And while they may be small in size, these birds make up for it with their impressive displays and vocalizations. The six-plumed birds are a sight to behold. As just mentioned, these creatures inhabit the rainforests of New Guinea and neighboring islands. Their habitat is crucial for their survival as they require dense vegetation for protection from predators and ample food sources. The males have striking iridescent feathers in shades of green, blue, and purple that shimmer in the sunlight. Their six plumes extend from their lower back and can be raised during courtship displays. Females, on the other hand, have more subdued brown feathers with hints of yellow or orange. Truly one of a kind in the avian kingdom. During the courtship, male birds will perform elaborate dances for female birds in order to impress them. These dances involve a series of movements that showcase their colorful feathers and agility. The females observe these performances before choosing a mate. In addition to dances, males also use vocalizations. Their calls can range from soft chirps to loud screeches. Very beautiful indeed. And here they come.